that have leaves, trunks, branches, leaves, and fruits. The group of trees in a common place where we share with bushes, insects, and animals. Yes, for example, I am a Chilean bird. I am a woodpecker, and I love to live in a forest because the trees are my home and I can get food from some of them. I like to live in the forest because I can get food and I can hide between or behind the trees from the animals who want to eat me. Ha 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 ha! I also to live here because are many little animals to eat. Yum yum. But there are two different groups of forest, native and cultivated. Native forest, cultivated forest. Yes, for example, we are part of a native forest. We have grown up below the hut of people. Yes, and we cannot live. Yes, and we cannot. Some of the native Chilean trees are Rolla or Arcadian mania. Hey friends, I am also a native tree and I am very important. I am a canelo and I am the Maputo suffer tree, so they take care of me.
Songs with lessons there. What will keep the car from?
We are a forest, but we live in a cultivated forest. That means we are planted in all places all together by people. The forests are like the lungs of the earth because they absorb the carbon dioxide during the day and they produce oxygen during the night. We are planted by species, for example, pine forest, eucalyptus forest, and many others to be given trees. Did you see? We have different kinds of forests and they help us in so many ways. Pay attention and observe how forests are helping us.
She's always for a year. Who will tell me when the music's gone away? Who will tell?
I am the oxygen that responded to me and I kind of there and all the time you are breathing me to be alive.
They have no place to go. Baby, and are you buried in the sand?
Can you guess who am I? I am very useful indeed and I was made with a bunch of tattoos. Unfortunately, sometimes people are not using it properly.
Don't you know the forest? Do you help the land? Food and water.
I am an outlook and I was made with a part of a tree, which means you can work at school, even at home, you can draw or read in my paper.
Happy shores, silence and fun. All the words we ask you, but no trees.
As you have seen, forests are a very important part of our lives. And it is your responsibility to take care and protect them. Let's see what we can do.
Who will raise your arms? The birds have left the dawn. How to capture autumn? The valleys of fall.
Stop! You cannot eat water after use water or sand to put it out.
How hard is some night when winter cats fall. Breathing out.
Don't throw cigarettes out of the car window. You can produce a forest fire.
Are you buried in the sand? Don't you know forest feels a healthy hand? Let it put in water. Now you have a choice.
Stop. Don't just take the paper, you read it, and don't play with it.
Let's fly. Let the trees voice. Mom,
Stop here. If you made a mistake, don't take the page. Use an eraser and then continue writing there.
the earth we ask you when forests have no trees. What to stop the topsoil from running to the seas? What will shade the summer from suns that left us bare? What will keep the carbon?
However, we can also contribute by adopting trees to protect them and take care of them. For that reason, we brought some trees to be adopted and planted in a small forest in our patio. These trees are going to be the trees for our class forever. The winner of the president of one time.
strong. How do you grow so tall and strong? I said to the riverside tree. This is the song that my tree friend sang to me. I've got roots growing down to the water. I've got leaves growing up to the sunshine. And the fruit that I bear is the sign of life in me. I am shade from the hot summer sundown. I am nest for the birds of the heaven. I'm becoming what the Lord of trees has meant me to be. A strong young tree. I saw a tree in the city streets where buildings block the sun. Green and lovely, I could see it gave joy to